I wanted to say thank you for 500 subscribers. It finally happened. We hit 1,000 on YouTube. Wow. So, I know you're wondering, Dylan, why are you uploading this on a video? Well, as I always say, if you saw the title and thumbnail of this video, you know that we hit another major milestone, and I decided to mix it up a little bit today. Usually I'm sitting in front of the camera with things behind me, just talking directly to you guys, but I figured that can get kind of boring, so we're going to mix up this little milestone video, and I'm going to talk about it while we're actually riding and mix it up a little bit. So I decided to bring out the bike that seems to have grown this channel the absolute most, and that is the Voro Motors Road Runner Pro, or E-Move Road Runner Pro, whichever one you want to call it. I just call it the e-bike. This is a huge milestone for me, and one that I didn't think I would reach, and I couldn't have reached it without all of you. I am one person. If I subscribed to my own channel, I would have one subscriber, but 1,500 of you decided to also hit that big red button. So without further ado, enough yapping, let's get out on the e-bike and talk about this milestone. Honestly, the only words I have and the only words that could describe what I'm feeling is wow. I cannot believe it. I am blown away. I'm genuinely blown away at that number. 1,500 is huge. Like, wow. The fact that 1,500 people thought that this short little ADHD boy was worth their time out of their day, because all of your guys' days, I'm sure, are very busy and very important. Time is the most important thing on this planet, and the fact that you would take time out of your day to spend some of that time with me genuinely means the world to me. I cannot believe it. You were going to hear me say it. Thank you a lot in this short little video, because I don't know what else to say. I am truly blown away at the support that I've received. Believe it or not, every single one of you that have commented, that have said anything, given me your opinions, every single one of you have been unbelievably friendly and unbelievably welcoming. This channel and this little tiny community that we have got right here has got to be one of the best, most nicest and supportive communities I have ever seen. Out of all the videos, whether it was a good video, a bad video, if you decided to watch it and comment it, not a single one of you have been toxic. Not even on YouTube Shorts, believe it or not. Now, obviously, Instagram and TikTok are a completely different story. It is unbelievably toxic over there, but we don't go over there because of that reason, right? You guys on YouTube get the full experience, the full unedited versions, no chopped and screwed, none of that. If you like the YouTube Shorts and you like the highlight versions, that is sick. There is nothing wrong with that. All of whoever has commented on my YouTube Shorts have been unbelievably positive, and I thank you guys so much for that positivity, because you have no idea how much that positivity truly helps. It keeps me motivated and keeps me pushing to continue to grow. Hands down, every single one of you, especially in the e-bike community, believe it or not, have been amazing, have been truly amazing. Because if you guys know, and we're here from the beginning, I never messed around with electric. I never messed around with anything electric. 4 wheels, 2 wheels, 8 wheels, 12 wheels. None of it. I never messed around with any of that electric stuff. And the fact that you guys were so helpful and supportive of helping me learn of how to change the settings, what I should do with the bike, what all these settings do, and the overwhelming positivity and support have just been, I cannot thank you guys enough. I cannot thank you guys enough. I really can't. Hold on. Try not to die on mode 5, merging with fast traffic. Literally, I don't even know what to say, because you guys are truly some of the best people that I've ever communicated with on the internet, and it is so much. You guys have you have no idea how much fun it is. I'm stumbling over my words, like I'm just in such disbelief. You have no idea, like, the amazing feeling that it is to put all this hard work in, make a video every week for the past 3 years, and see other real people commenting on it. Do you know how crazy of a feeling that is? Like, it is the most, you guys are the most supportive people I have ever met, and I no thank you will ever give you the justice or the feelings that I'm feeling. And we are currently mobbing right now. We are going 50 miles an hour. Holy, I didn't even realize how fast we were going. I don't even know what the speed limit is right here. From the bottom of my heart, genuinely, thank you for all of the positivity, the likes, because like I always say, I never ask about, hey, you should subscribe, right? I don't. I always say it at the end of the video, because if you made it to the end of the video, like I say in the video, if you made it this far, right, and you feel like I deserve it, that's what makes me appreciate it even more, because you guys are liking and you are commenting. I have said that from the beginning, and the fact that you guys are actually doing it and staying that long, you have no, oh gosh, I literally, I can't put it into words. I genuinely cannot put it into words. The support that I have gotten over the last 3-4 years of this, it's truly mind-blowing. Thank you to the e-bike community and the electric community. I think it's a pretty cool shot, that with a big highway sign right off the highway. That's why I pulled over here. I think this has such a cool spot. But all of the electric community has been unbelievably supportive when it's coming from whether I'm riding gas bikes or electric bikes. The support has been there, and I don't know, I'm gonna annoy you guys with how much I'm saying thank you, but I just wanted to come out here, get a little bit of a chat going, tell you how I feel, and genuinely say thank you in a video that you guys may find more interesting, because I was moving, I was riding the bike, I wasn't just sitting in a chair, so I decided to mix that up, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. But I promise this is the last time I'm gonna say it. You guys have been unbelievably supportive. You are the best community on the planet, on the platform, by far. Not one of you have been negative, not one of you. So thank you once again. You guys already know the drill. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. I love all of you, and I will see you in the next one. Later. I just wanted to say, on the way back home, little bonus clip, boys, the road, hang on, I don't want to get wet. I can't get this bike wet. The road to 2,000 starts right now. So let's do it, boys. Road to 2K. All right, boys. Thank you so much for your support, your love, and your positivity. I'll see you in the next one.